Hello everyone, my name is Akash Patel and welcome back to AWS Cloud Practitioner Learning Journey. In this video, I will explain another very important topic for beginners, AWS support plans and account governance. So, these two topics are all about how AWS help you when you need support and how can keep your AWS account safe, organized and cost efficient. Many students focus on only on the technical part, like EC2 or S3, but understanding support plans and good account habits is just as important. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the four AWS support plans, and I will also share some simple rules that help you manage your AWS account safely like a pro. Everything I explain here comes from Marek's AWS Cloud Certified Cloud Practitioner course PDF. So let's see first common for let's start with the four support plans that AWS offer. So first one is basic support, second one developer support, third one business support, fourth one enterprise support. Each plan adds more features, faster help, and extra tools for bigger or more serious projects. Think of it like customer support level for your favorite product. The more advanced your plan, the faster and deeper help you get. We will go through each plan one by one with examples so you can decide which one fit best for students or for companies. Let's see. First one is basic support. This plan is completely free and comes with every AWS account automatically. It gives you access to helpful resources like AWS documentation and white papers, AWS support forum, and some basic trusted advisor checks like checking for one security issues or unused resources. However, in basic support, you can't open technical cases with AWS Engineer, but for students like us who are just learning and using the free tier, basic support is perfect. It's like a free starter plan. You can learn everything and find help through uh, community discussion and AWS articles. Let's see the fourth one, developer support. Like second one, sorry. This plan is made for people or small teams who are building and testing application on AWS. You can open support cases with AWS engineers during business hours to get advice or troubleshoot problems. You also get more trusted advisor checks with which means AWS automatically scan your account and tell you about cost, performance, or security improvements. For example, if you are developing a mobile app and you're stuck in an API gateway or Lambda issue, you can open a ticket and get help directly from AWS engineers. It's a great next step when you move from learning to actual building something serious. Let's move to the next plan. Now the third plan is business support. This plan is designed for companies running productions, workloads, apps that must stay online 24 by 7. It gives you 24 by 7 access to AWS cloud support engineers, full trusted advisor checks, faster response time based on the priority of the problems, and architectural guidance for best practice. For example, if your company runs an e-commerce website and suddenly your EC2 instance fail, you can connect AWS anytime, day or night, and get help immediately. It's like having a dedicated technical support hotline for your business. Let's see the enterprise support. The last one is enterprise support, which is the highest level of support offered by AWS. This plan is meant for large organizations that depend heavily on AWS for mission critical systems. Enterprise support includes everything from the business plan plus a technical account manager or TAM who help you personally manage your AWS environment, a concierge service for billing and account help, proactive monitoring and regular check-ins with AWS experts, and extremely fast response time for urgent issues. You can think of it like having your own personal AWS advisor who always ready to guide you and your company. Let's see now, how do you know which plan is right for you? Let's make it simple. If you are a student or beginner, the basic support plan is perfect. It's free and include all the learning resources you need. If you are building or testing an app or need some help, choose developer support. If your app is live and used by people, you will need business support for 24 by 7 help. If you are a big company or enterprise running many critical systems, you will want enterprise support. So the choice depends on how serious or large your project is. So let's see next one. Let's talk about the account governance, which means managing your AWS account responsibly. These are small but very important habits that keep your account safe, organized, and efficient. Never use the root account for everyday work. It's only for emergencies. Second one, create IAM user and roles for daily use with limit permissions. Third one, enable multi-factoring authentication MFA for the root user and other important users. Set budgets and billing alerts to monitor your costs. Fifth, regularly review trusted advisor reports to find potential security or cost problems. By following these small steps, you make sure your AWS account stays safe and you avoid unnecessary surprises. Let's see, all the support plans are closely connected with AWS tools that help you manage your environment better. Some of the main ones are trusted advisor gives you recommendation about cost optimization, security and performance. Billing dashboard show you how much you are spending and on what. Cost explorer help you visualize where your money is going. Service health dashboard, so if any AWS service is down. Personal health dashboard, so issues that affect only your account. Together, these tools makes AWS support and governance complete. You always know what's happening in your account. Let's see some common mistakes. Now here are some common mistakes that beginners makes and how you can fix them. So first one, using the root account daily. So you can fix create an MFA admin user for daily use. Keep root credentials stored safely. Second one, not enabling MFA. So how you can fix, always enable MFA to protect your account. It adds a second layer of security. Third one is not setting budgets or alerts. How you can fix, create a small budgets limit, even $5, and get alerts before crossing it. Fourth one, ignoring security warning or trusted advisor reports. So how you can fix, review them regularly and fix high risk finding right way. Follow these simple steps makes you look professional and protects your AWS accounts. Let's see. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. So we covered all four AWS support plans: basic, developer, business, and enterprise. We learned that each plan offer different levels of help, speed, and guidance. We also learned some simple account governance habits to keep your account safe, like using IMA, MFA, and budgets. And we saw how AWS tools like Trusted Advisor and Billing Dashboards connect everything together. For next step, I recommend reviewing practice question for Stephen Mark's course and testing your understanding using the AWS Skill Builder quizzes. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video on AWS support plans and account governance. I hope this explanation helped you understand how AWS supports its customers and how you can keep your own account safe and well organized. If this video help you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel to support my AWS learning journey. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you can see my next AWS videos as soon as they come out. A very big thank you to my professor Dr. Govindaswamy from Concordia University for your amazing guidance and motivation. Your support helps me learn AWS in simple practical way and inspire me to share that knowledge with others. This is Akash Patel and thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember managing your cloud safely is just as important as building it.